Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Daily Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good cheesecake. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start off with some graham crackers. And I got chocolate ones here that I'm going to start off with. And what you want to do is you want to crumble these up really fine because they're going to be on the very bottom. Okay, now we're going to start with our crumbs. Get that all around. We're going to put in one-third cups of sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter. Okay, set down here for a second. Now we're going to take the back end of our. Now we're going to put this aside and work on our next step. Okay, this is 8-ounce block of cheese, cream cheese. And what you want to do is you want to kind of take your blender or mixer and you want to kind of mix this together. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take 4 eggs. And you want to put them in here, all 4 of them. We're going to mix this well together again. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to add a cup of sour cream. You want a cup of sour cream in there. Get a spoon here. You want all that in there, it's important. I love the taste of sour cream. On top of that, you want a cup and a half of sugar. Go ahead and throw that in there. That equals out to a cup and a half. And then we're going to mix this all together. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you want a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of flour, and then we're going to mix this well together. Okay, you want to do this until your cream comes very creamy, just like this. Okay, you want to kind of. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. I actually left it on a little bit longer than I should have, but so it's still jiggly, and it'll be good. We're gonna let it cool down overnight. We'll come back in the morning, and we'll do a taste test on this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at this cheesecake. Look how creamy that is. That is so good. Chocolate crush right here. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do, try to hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.